How you doing, everyone? Welcome back. Didn't say in my previous videos that I've uploaded, but just to say I've kind of had the COVID. So it has been a quiet few days with crypto, fortunately, but I've just not been able to get any videos out either. Still a bit rough, but just to say, we've had good news with inflation that it's not moving. So as such, I think we've seen some interesting support come into Bitcoin over the last few days now. And essentially, what to look for in the next week would be to remain within this support resistance channel between 32.9 and 38.9, and we don't want to see any dramatic drops. But if we do, we need to hold 32.9, and I think we will. I can't see us wicking back sub 33, if I'm being brutally honest. Not financial advice, but that's just my opinion. I think that the lowest we could realistically get back to would be 35.5. But on the positive, I think once we've broken above 38.9, which we should essentially do over the coming couple of weeks, and I'll just draw you a quick prediction for this. I think over the next few hours we're going to come back, have a little back test of the cloud, and then have a little launch, and then a consolidation period before we try and break above 39. Might have some period of time with some back testing. I don't expect us to stay above it for long. I think we're going to come back below for building some more support. But once we're above 39, we should have a nice wick up to 41. And yeah, that's what I expect to play out. So I'm just going to mark that green. And that would bring us up to, where would we be on the dates and times? Yeah, sort of the 1st of Feb. So over the weekend into Tuesday. If the worst case scenario plays out and we lose support of the cloud, or if we do have a wick up and we don't get support and we fall back to the cloud and eventually fall through it, we would realistically sit under the cloud for a period of time, and then I think we'd have a slow tail off, consolidation pattern, possibly come back for a retest, and then we'd see a nice candle back up to the cloud, maybe see some sideways action, and then we'd plow back up to circa the 38.9 mark. I'm going to mark that blue because it's a possibility, but obviously I'm bullish on Bitcoin, so I do expect the green to play out. Don't expect to see any momentous gig candles. I'd love to see one, but I just don't foresee that happening. I think we need to climb up slowly and build a nice foundation, and then we'll have a slow and gradual leg up. And then I think once we've seen the supports there around the 39 mark, we'll have a little pump up to 41.5. Alright, best of luck. See you on the next one. Take care.